Now I don't even know how this video will end. I see people moving to my compound. This is the way people are being treated. Yeah. Today I had my fundis and they had to say, Mara, put our link. Mara, put our link. I said, I am so tired of these stories. Every day, story. But again, now I agree your story is good. Yeah. Please don't throw the cake.
Hey, I can hold it. We are waiting for the cake.
Please be honest. That will take you places that I'm telling you. You'll make more people come to my home.
More up to 2,000.
International.
I tap the blessing.
Okay. Wow. Are you going to America?
Happy birthday to you.
Yes.
Yeah,
They are
so
bit
7 months ago I was here.
All right.
And I think I came twice.
Yeah.
The first time when you were opening Mama Ann's house.
Yeah, that's true.
Uninvited, exactly.
Yeah.
Then it was very late. Then you invited me over the following day on a Sunday.
Oh.
And we came, we did an interview with you, despite the fact that you'd also given me some time to do an interview with you when you were opening the house.
Wow.
So we did an interview. Then a week later,
Yeah.
I came back to appreciate you.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember you brought me even the an award, something
Yes,
like
it was
an award.
something like an award.
Yeah.
And let me say,
Yeah.
the gift that I brought you, I even remember
Yeah.
the title of the video was The Gift. That's what you
Yeah,
gave,
yeah.
the title that you gave the video.
Yes.
And let me tell you, Mara, I'm
Yeah.
so grateful. The
Yeah.
gift opened doors,
Wow.
big doors.
Wow. Are you going to America?
So I've achieved several things. The last time I was here, I never had a GoPro.
Okay, wow.
I have a GoPro.
Her camera right there.
Shipped from the US,
Wow.
GoPro 11.
Wow.
And apart from that,
Yeah.
I went to Uganda,
Wow.
a paid trip. I stayed for 1 month, 1 week.
1 month.
Yes. And I didn't pay anything. Everything was
International.
courtesy. I tap the blessing.
Okay. Guys.
I flew from Kenya to Uganda. And also other than that, my very first time flying was from Kisumu
Wow.
to Mombasa. It was paid for. So going to Uganda was my second flight. And all this came courtesy
Of
of
the
you.
collab.
iammarwa. Wow. And the biggest
You'll make more people come to my home.
More up to 2,000.
I'm sorry to say this, but my dad died when I was very young. Actually, I did see him.
Yeah.
I was less than a year old when my dad died.
Wow.
But then after coming to your place here, where we are right now,
Okay.
I got the audience,
Yeah.
and then they were even suggesting the kind of vlogs that I should do.
Okay.
So there's a time that one of them told me to share my story
Okay.
and my level of education and all that.
Yeah.
So I shared, and they wanted to know my background.
Okay.
So you remember, you always tell people to be very open.
Very honest.
So I was,
Please be honest. That will take you places that I'm telling you. If you do some corner, you'll see your. Just say the way it is. People will deal with you the way you are. You know. Yes.
so I was very honest,
Yeah.
very open.
Yeah.
And I gave out my story, and as there's a time I was doing a vlog and we were planting back at home,
Yeah.
and there's a space where my dad was buried.
Yeah.
We were not planting over there because it's the graveside.
Okay.
So one of them questioned why we are not planting there.
Okay.
But then I told them that's where my dad was buried. Sorry, where my dad was buried.
Yeah.
So, and they questioned to know, and I gave them the very honest opinion about it.
Yeah.
And believe you me,
Yeah.
someone offered to be my dad.
Yeah.
He took me, I don't know, I'm getting emotional.
Yeah. Please don't throw the cake.
Hey, I can hold it. We are waiting for the cake. I can hold it. Yeah,
Somebody says it's emotional.
You can just put it here. So I have someone who
let's
took
finish
me,
this
who
story.
adopted me as the daughter.
Yeah.
The person treats me as the real daughter,
Wow.
like the one that, biological, I mean.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And the guy is from,
Which country is they from? Or?
he's from Faroe Island, but he lives in Norway.
Wow.
Yeah.
I've been to Norway.
Fantastic.
Norway is one of the richest countries we have on the planet. I'm telling you, true story. Yes.
And this white note for...
Utakula rafiki. Yes.
I wouldn't have achieved
Let's
all
finish.
that.
Wait,
I wouldn't have achieved all
please
that.
repeat that one more point.
White not for the chance that you gave me.
All right.
I wouldn't have achieved all that. So that's why I feel that the success that I've had in the previous year, I attribute it to you. You're part of it. So that's why I came here to also share the cake for my my birthday, so that we can celebrate together.
Guys, you know, she told me where is your camera? This is your camera?
Yes.
Yeah. She told me you can hold these two cameras together. She told me like, hey Marwa, I want to give you my story. I said I am so tired of these stories. Every day story. But again now I agree your story is good. Okay, but you know, me I have to be honest, guys. Me all I can do is give you a chance. Is with 500,000 people, I just put your story there. But I don't want you to come back every day saying Marwa, Marwa, Marwa. I want to give you a chance and you run with it. That's all I'm trying to say. Same as my Yugno, her story. You see, for example, her story is not about her being a superstar on YouTube and all this. Somebody took her as the daughter. So imagine, that's a success story. That's all I want you guys to always know. Today I had my fundis and they had say, Marwa, put our link. Marwa, put our link. You know, I got really mad. I told, no, what if tomorrow I don't put your link? You need to grow beyond this link, this thing. You have to, you know. Okay, guys. So I'm really happy for you, Nancy. I remember your name.
Yeah.
So how can we appreciate your father as a group?
Yes.
How can we? Yes.
Okay, by...
Your father Christmas. Okay, guys, we are in Africa here.
How can we
Don't worry.
appreciate that?
Yes.
I told him
Thank
that.
you.
We say thank you for allowing me to be part of his family.
He will watch this video.
Yes, definitely, he's watching.
Wow.
And he's a contractor. He told me he wants to maybe talk about your roof. He said it's leaking.
Yeah, it's leaking.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So he told me to get some time if it's possible, so he doesn't want to appear on camera.
It's all good. Yes.
So maybe you talk to him. That will
Hey, Father Nancy.
It's okay.
No, Father
Yeah,
Nancy.
it's okay. It's okay.
Thank you so much. The whole group here just to say thank you so much for making her, giving her more hope. You know, now even the cake we are cutting, cut the cake. All right, guys. Okay, so
And then the last thing before we cut the cake,
the last
I went to Uganda
Yes.
and I was treated as a celebrity. I don't even fit in the show of a celebrity. But
What happened?
I was treated as a celebrity to the extent of being invited to a radio interview. Yes.
I thought the blessing.
Yeah, so I went to a radio interview and by then you were in Mexico.
oh, I was in Mexico.
Yes. So and
Mexico
I
is Spanish.
yeah.
Mexico is
Mexico.
Mexico.
Yeah. And I remember giving you a shout out because you were the person who held my hand.
Okay.
So while on air, I gave you a shout and all that. But this treatment that I got in Uganda, I didn't spend even a single coin. But I was given a celebrity treatment, being picked, big drops.
I see people moving to my compound. This is the way people are being treated.
Hii ni maajabu. Maajabu.
So thank you so much.
All right.
I appreciate.
And ndugu umeelewa nini? What did you understand? Yes. Okay. Said goodbye.
Yeah.
Now I don't even know how this video will end. I will...
Don't end this cake.
Yes. All right, guys. Okay.
You will end it.
Haya, hii itaishia.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sasa
So tunaikata.
Wale wako na
sasa
wale wako na tamaa sana watangulia.
uko na tamaa. Kama una tamaa songa nyuma.
So we cut
Kama una tamaa.
Okay, my wish. It's a
So
silent. Let
1
me get
minute mnyamaze dakika moja. I make wish. Yule hajai celebrate birthday hivi ndio zinafanywa. Ujue mapema. So that time.
Oh, sorry. Amen.
Okay.
Wow.
Happy birthday
Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you now? Happy birthday, dear Nancy. Happy birthday to you.
Are you happy right now? Are you happy right now?
So,
Okay. Hata kweli nimesikia uko celebrity huko. Nimesikia. Sasa tutaanza aje hapa? You the boss.
Yeah, you the boss.
Okay. Mimi si wewe unapewa wa kwanza ama?
okay, no problem. A single portion.
Kwa vile kijiko.
Fork.
Oh, Father Nancy.
Hapa tuko hapa sisi.
Father, how do you say Father Nancy? Okay.
Yes.
Before we eat, you have to say that, I say.
Okay.
Yes.
Junior, tulia.
God bless Father Nancy.
Amen.
Sasa fork iko wapi?
Hata nimeilamba kwa bahati mbaya. Bora.
Leta hiyo kijiko hata.
Leta tu kijiko.
Kijiko ya kawaida tu. Unajua kuna ile ya kwanza ukishakula sasa ndio kila mtu.
Sasa hii rejareja.
Hata nikushikie mama.
Unishikie.
Okay, shika.
Itadondoka.
Hata wakiekelea chini.
Kijiko. Hakuna ile fork.
Ai, kuna hata sijui hata fork.
Acha nikutoa alafu nini? So we give it tomorrow.
Ni Nancy. Nani anakula kijiko kwanza?
Nancy.
Sawa. Acha nilishe Nancy alafu mimi niende.
Okay.
At least Nancy akule keki kwa kwanza.
But yani kulishe before uende.
Okay. Aya, kwanza Father Nancy, thank you for the cake. Thank you for everything.
Sure.
All right.
Wow.
Happy birthday.
Is there another spoon?
Kula kwanza, wewe unaongea kabla hujamaliza.
Just the same.
Because this is now reality on the ground. Yes. So let me have this.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you Father Nancy.
All right, sasa ni sherehe.
Sasa hapa mimi hawa. Ndio direct. Mimi ndio.
Ona, wekelea hapa mam. Ona. Wekelea kwa kiti. Nancy, wekelea kwa kiti hapa. Okay, Nancy, I'm on.
Oh, thank you. I'm glad to be on your channel, Nice Mom. Guys, I'm on Nice Mom channel. Kindly check her out at Nice Mom. And I'm so happy that you've graced my occasion. Thank you so much for coming. I appreciate you and I love you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you for the love.